Adult Solutions. Add-on Desires.
Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Yes, here I am, your Nabi sir, and we are going to start something amazing studying. Yes, so let's start that. Welcome back. Yes, welcome to Adult Solutions, your own application platform where you are learning all the chapters. And here from now, today onwards, I am going to teach you English amazingly. That's what we are going to begin with the Marigold book. Yes, Marigold book for your class. Class first. Here is the book, the front page. Before we begin, I want to ask you one thing. My dear little student, do you have your textbook with you? No. Why? You should have your textbook in your hand, ready with that. Yes, I always tell my students, all the students, first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class, seventh class, eighth class, ninth class, 10th class, 11th class, 12th class. I always tell my all students that whenever I am teaching, you should be ready with your textbook and with your notebook and with your pen or pencil. If you are using pencil, very good. If you are using pen, no, not now. You will start using pen later, but not now. So here with Adult Solution, now you have connection with me. Yes, Adult Solution is a solution for your all type of questions, and that is what will make us as good relations. So are you ready with that? Go and bring your textbook and then your notebook, your pencil. So whatever we are going to start beautifully, we will take a look on all the simple things and we will learn amazingly. Yes, we are going to take that. So unit number 1. All the unit has two chapters. Do you know about it? Yes, take a look of your textbook. All the unit has two chapters. So we have total 10 units. Yes, we have total 10 units. In that 10 units, we have how many? Yes, 20. Because simple, 10 multiplied by 2, 20. So 20 chapters we have because we have 10 units. Okay, so in that 10 units and 20 chapters, we are going to start today a happy child. Yes, a happy child like you. Are you happy? No. Why? You are sad. You don't look good sad. You look happy. You look so good. Yes, and even with your Nabi sir, we will enjoy the class. It is not something that we will just study, but we will learn something. It's like a game. Yes, I am here to teach you something amazingly about the games. You see, the happy child, You see this, you see that, you see them all, they are smiling. Then why are you feeling so sad? Let's take a smile, let's wear a smile, let's take a smile and wear a smile, take a smile, wear a smile, so that we can start the unit. Let's start. Yes, enjoy this poem. Unit number 1, a happy child. You see the happiness of this girl. Yay, singing. Yes, enjoy this poem. My house is red, a little house. My house is red, a little house. A happy child am I. A happy child am I. I love I laugh and play the whole day. I laugh and play the whole day. Lone I hardly ever cry. Oh, I hardly ever cry. Miss, the girl is taking my house is red. You see, her house is red. House is red and white actually. Yes, the white color wall and the red color roof. House is red. A little house, not a very big, a little house. A happy child. But even if it is a very small house, a very big smile, it is not something about the happiness. Yes, even in the big houses, many people are not happy, they are sad. And even in the small houses, people are very happy. So the big house means not always happiness. Sometimes it is sad. But the small house is not something about sad, it is something about happiness. So they are saying my house is small, but I always laugh the whole day alone. I hardly ever cry. I hardly ever cry means I never cry. Hardly. Nobody see me crying. I don't feel sad. I don't feel bad. I don't feel crying. Yes, this is what she is doing. Now, let's revise with me. My house is red. My house is red. A little house, a little house. A happy child am I. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day. I laugh and play the whole day. Lone I hardly ever cry. Lonely I ever hardly cry. Now I have a tree, a green, green tree. I have a tree, a green, green tree, to shade me from the sun, to shade me from the sun. And under it I often sit, and under it I often sit. I under it I often sit when all my play is done. When all my play is done. Yes, again. I have a tree, a green, green tree, to shade me from the sun, to shade me from the sun. And under it I often sit, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. When my yes. Now, next, you see the beautiful poem that we learned about smile and happiness. Now, new words we have here. New words. What are the new words that we found here? Yes, cry. Cry. Cry is something. Cry. Day. We all understood that what is the meaning of day. The tree and everything like this. And then sunlight we get. So we get the day. Red. Yes, red. Red is something. The red color we can find here, and the sun we can find here. Now let's read. The sun shines in the sky. The sun shines in the sky. Now your turn. The sun shines. Sun shines. Sun shines in the sky. I have a red pen. I have a red pen. Means the pen that I have is red color. I have a red pen. Now you see, read and match the word with the pictures. Draw a line. I am a boy. I am a boy. So here is the boy. We can match. Now I am a girl. So here she is a girl. We can match. Boom, dish. Doom, dish. I am a boy. I am a girl. We can make like this one. Now, fun with colors. Fill in the box with the right color. What is the color of the happy child's house? So red. What is the color? Red. Yes, they have the red color. What is the color of your house? Write down there in that box. Okay, you see, they have red color. The child has red color house. Now, which type of color your house is? Now, what is the color of the tree? The color of the tree is green. The color is green. Gree and green. We can find over there. Now, what is the color of the sun? Color of the sun is basically yellow. Yes, so what is the color that you can write even more? How many colors name do you know? Do you know the different colors? Have you already learned? Now, you see, is there a tree growing near your house? Yes or no? Tell us about the tree. Is it big or small? You can say yes, it's a big tree. No, it's a small tree. Do you like to tree? Do you like the tree? Yes? What is the name of the tree? Find out. This is what you can say. Ask your parents. your elder brother and elder sister, elder brother and sister, anyone, they can reply that the tree name. What is the tree name? And if it is a big, you can find yourself. You don't have to ask anyone. You can find whether it is a big tree or it's a small tree. Now you see, let's share. There are many kinds of houses. Circle the ones have seen. You see the hut, igloo, oh, flat, and the bungalow. Yes, igloo is, you know what? That igloo is something for Eskimos. For Eskimos, where there is just ice, just ice everywhere. There people lives, and these people known as Eskimos. They always wear the clothes. Okay, they don't show their face and all. They are fully covered. These people call and live here. Yes, these people live here. These people known as Eskimos, and they live here in igloo. And we have seen hut, we have seen the flat, 1 floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor, and the bungalow. Okay, now draw your house here and talk about it. What type of your house? Whether if it is a bungalow or it's a hut, anything like that. You can make it like this. If it's a bungalow or if it is a flat, make like this. Window equal size. You can make like this. Then on the top you can put anything, and then if it's a hut, you can put a hut like this. And if it's a villa or anything like that, a big bungalow with swimming pool and all, with the entrance, you can make the villa different size. Now you see, how do you feel? How do you feel? If we are talking about the feelings, so I will tell you that we have different feelings. It depends on the situation. It depends on the condition. Yes, for example, when mama gives you something good, you feel happy. When mama doesn't give you anything, you feel sad. When you have a great day in your school, you feel happy. When you fight with someone or someone takes your things without your permission, you feel sad. Or you feel angry on someone sometime. Why did you do? We should not feel angry, because angriness is not good at all. Not for our health, not for our relation, not for anything. Yes. Don't feel angry anytime. Whenever it is angry, just say all is well, all is well, all is well. No problem. Any activity you can do. Any activity you can do, but don't feel angry. Yes. So we are happy, we are sad, we are angry, we are down, we are up, we are left, we are crying. Sometimes we have different emotions. So they are saying, when you get a new dress, how do we feel? Of course, we feel happy. When you get hurt, oh, sad. That time we feel sad. When you share your things, you feel proud. Yes, proud. When you are ill, that time you become very rude. Yes, like that. You can make. This man is not happy very much. Now, draw the lines from the house to the people who live in your house. For example, this is my home. Okay, this is my home, like that. She is saying. So here I have my grandfather. I have my grandmother, my father, my mom, my brother, my sister. And you can also paste your picture. Yes, so make a house like this. Anything you can prepare easily. This is what he is saying. So you can paste your picture here. Then you can say, boom, my grandmother, my grandfather, boom, my grandmother, boom, my grandfather, my mom, my sister, my brother. This is what you can make yourself. Find out how many family members you have. Do your grandmothers and your grandfathers also live with you? If no, you can also put their picture as well, no problem. Otherwise, how many family members you have? Your father picture, your mother picture. If you have any elder brother, elder sister, younger sister, paste and then paste your picture here. If you are only three, for example, your mother, your father and yourself, just paste yourself picture and then my mother and then my father. If you are four, paste the four. If you are two, paste the 2, 3, 4 like that.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desired.